This is the Nicpro multifunctioning T-square. So this is a T-square, as you could see, but it's fully adjustable. Nice feedback there. So you can set something at like 45-degree angle. If you always want to set it at a 45-degree angle, you can lock this down, put it on, make your marks. You can also use this slider. So this would probably be nice for like tile work and things like that. If you're doing tile work, you can put this on the edge of the tile, let's just say. And if you needed to, you could put this pencil through and you can make a mark on your tile, right? Obviously that would be not moving like that. It also comes with this pencil, right? The pencil comes with replaceable lead. So this is colored lead actually, that's like waxy. So you can actually draw on tile, which is really nice. It has a built-in sharpener in the holster. So this is a pencil with a holster. So you're a lot less likely to lose it when you have it, in the holster, because the holster stays on, you pull the pencil off to use it, and you always put it back. So whenever I use these type of pencils, I don't lose them. Usually I'm trying to put it in my ear and I drop it and stuff like that. So really nice. It also comes with extra lead. So you have plenty of lead for this pencil, which is really nice. And I just think it overall is a really nice, like premium product. I like that it has this good feedback, so you can set it all these different angles, 60, what's this, 60, 45, 30, and 15. So, then you can also lock it down. So really nice premium product. I think it's anodized aluminum. It feels good in my hand. Good job, Nicpro. I'm out.